Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to a laptop with a USB cable. First, gather a compatible USB cable, ensuring it fits both your iPhone and your computer. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and fully powered on before proceeding. Next, gently connect the smaller end of the cable into your iPhone's charging port. Then, take the larger end and firmly plug it into an available USB port on your laptop. This establishes the initial physical link. Once physically connected, your iPhone screen will likely display a prompt asking if you trust this computer. It is important to tap Trust to allow data exchange. You may then need to enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm this action. For Windows users, open iTunes. Mac users should open Finder. Your iPhone's icon or name should then become visible within the application, indicating a successful software connection. With your iPhone connected and trusted, you can now transfer data and charge your device. To access photos and videos, navigate to this PC on Windows or Finder on Mac. For syncing music, movies, or apps, use iTunes or Finder directly. Your iPhone will begin charging automatically once connected, drawing power from your laptop. For optimal charging speed, ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source. If your iPhone isn't connecting as expected, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try plugging your USB cable into a different port on your laptop. Sometimes, a faulty port is the issue. Next, ensure you are using an official Apple or MFI-certified cable, as generic cables can cause problems. Restarting both your iPhone and your laptop can also resolve many glitches. Finally, check for updates to your computer's operating system and iTunes or Finder.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.